In today's video, we are cutting through the confusion to show you the absolute easiest way to present your PowerPoint with confidence on Google Meet. Let's get that presentation on screen. First things first, let's jump straight into your Google Meet session. Simply open your browser and navigate to meet.google.com. If you have a direct meeting link, a single click will take you right in. If you have received a meeting code, just type in to join your scheduled session. Super simple. All right, you are in the meeting. Fantastic. Now, to unveil your masterpiece, look at the bottom of your screen for the magic button. Present now. Give it a click and you will see a few options. For a published PowerPoint presentation, always choose a window. This lets you select just your PowerPoint application, keeping your other tabs private and distraction free. Select your PowerPoint window, hit share, and just like that, your presentation is live for all participants to see. While your slides are shining, remember you are in control. You can easily mute or unmute your mic and camera, ensuring your voice is heard clearly and the focus stays precisely where it needs to be, that is, on your amazing content. And as you navigate each slide, make it a conversation. Explain those key points, pose questions, and invite comments to keep engagement high. When it's time to wrap up, or if you need a quick break from sharing, simply find stop sharing at the very top of your screen. One click and your presentation view will seamlessly disappear for everyone. It's a clean way to regain full control, take your notes, or transition smoothly to the next part of your meeting. There you have it. You are now equipped to effortlessly present PowerPoint on Google Meet, looking polished and professional every time. Thank you for watching this video.